Just a couple of quick reminders on maintaining your electric speedy cover machine and cleaning your books. Okay? The machine has a little Teflon key attached with it. Every so often, take that Teflon key and run it along the welding bar at the bottom to remove any excess plastic. This won't damage the welding bar, but it will help maintain it and keep the bottom clean, so it always cuts and seals the covers with a clean look. Now when it comes to your books, as your books are covered with the Speedy Cover covers, if they get dirty, just take hand sanitizer wipes, disinfectant wipes, any dirt on the covers, because they're polyethylene, you can just wipe it down, clean off the dirt, clean the germs off, disinfect it, let the book sit and dry off. And you could do this over and over again with all your books. So the covers will always be clean and germ-free. Especially these days, we do want to lower the risk of having germs or bacteria on our books, because lots of kids and adults alike are handling these books. So please keep the books clean.